So I have made, for the wood club that I'm in, every year they have a toy giveaway. And in the past, I've made these little games where you have a series of pegs and you jump one and you pull one out, and you jump one and you pull one out, and you can put the ones in here that you've jumped. Well, to do this, I always buy a set of colored pencils, and I cut the colored pencils to length, which is around an inch, so that I can get as many out of one length of pencil as possible. So I had to come up with a convenient way to cut those pencils. So I come up with this solution right here, and I'm going to sacrifice this pencil to show you how this works. I stick the pencil in, slide this up like this, push the pencil into the stop, run it through the blade, pull this out, shove the cutoff piece out, pull it back, push this up, bring it in again, run it through the blade, pull this out, shove the cutoff piece out. So let me show you how that works. Fire this up. So then they fit in, and they just set in the game like this. And
Clever.
yeah, so that's just a quick way to make a series of pegs for this peg game. Here are some that I had left over as extras, and then these are the tips that gets down to too short to be usable.